Welcome to Zendure. Many of you know Zendure as the leading brand of balcony solar storage system solutions. So why a bike? Zendure's mission is to make the clean energy solutions accessible and affordable to all households by popularizing the latest energy tech. So this isn't just a bike. This is the Zendure's Zen Plus Home ecosystem on wheels. This is Zendure's Eco Cargo. So where did we start? We started by building a bridge that's between the free energy you capture at home and the energy you need on the go. And this is the key, our AP2000EC battery with nearly 2 kilowatt-hour. It's not just for the bike. Power your ride, then take it out and expand your solar flow system at home. And the freedom needs to be fast. Our hyper-speed recharging gives you 100 kilometers of range in just 1 hour. That's over 5 times faster than a standard e-cargo. And the control is as smart, track and monitor everything on Zendure app and simply unlock with a quick tap on NFC. We've also conquered the anxiety of range. With our Eco mode, you will have 400 kilometers at one single charge. This is not a commute, it's a road trip. And with this optional 140-watt solar roof, the sun becomes your fuel, and your trip can literally power itself. We also believe a vehicle shouldn't just take energy, it should give it back. The e-cargo is a mobile power station. Power your phone, your speaker, your entire campsite. At Zendure, safety is a priority. We brought our professional energy storage expertise here, a robust metal casing, stable LiFePO chemistry, and advanced thermal management for a new standard in safety. Of course, technology means nothing without a great ride. From puncture-resistant tires to the shock-absorbing seat, every detail is designed for your comfort and convenience. Zendure's e-cargo connects your home, your energy, and your life in one motion. And it delivers freedom, power, and safety in one complete package. But this is more than just our vision. It's an invitation to accelerate a sustainable future with us. So please come and share your opinions, feedbacks, or questions with Zendure's community online. Please give us the feedback and help us to shape what's come next and master your eco-mobility.